In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor's Kit library to enhance your website design experience. If you're looking to streamline your web design process with Elementor, the Kit library is a fantastic resource you don't want to miss out on. To get started, you'll first need to open the Kit library. This can be accessed in a couple of different ways. If you're on your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Templates section and then click on Website Templates. Alternatively, if you're already in the Elementor editor, simply click on the folder icon in the editing panel. From there, select the Kit Library tab. This will open up a world of design possibilities directly at your fingertips. Once you're in the Kit library, it's time to browse and preview the available kits. The library is vast, so to make your search easier, you can apply filters like Featured, New, Popular, or Trending. These filters allow you to quickly zero in on the kits that might best suit your project needs. When you find a kit that catches your eye, click View Demo. This is an essential step because it gives you a chance to explore the design across different devices, including desktop, tablet, and mobile views. It's crucial to ensure the kit will deliver the aesthetic and functionality you're aiming for on all platforms. After previewing, delve deeper into understanding the kit's structure by clicking Overview. This section gives you a comprehensive look at what you're working with. You can inspect all included components, such as headers, footers, pages, pop-ups, and archives. Familiarizing yourself with these components will help you make an informed decision about whether this kit will meet your site's design and content needs. Now, if you're happy with the kit and ready to use it, you can proceed to import it. Click on Apply or Apply All to bring the kit into your workspace. You'll be given the option to choose specific components to import. This includes templates, which are the essential site parts, content, covering pages and posts, and site settings, which include global styles, fonts, and colors. For those who intend to use SVGs in their kit, you might be prompted to enable unfiltered uploads. Go ahead and allow this if needed. After you've made your choices, wait for the confirmation message and then close any existing dialogues. Finally, you'll want to finalize your setup. Make sure everything is where it should be and that the kit has configured correctly on your website. With the Kit library, you can efficiently create a polished and professional-looking site with minimal effort. I hope this walkthrough helps you leverage the power of Elementor's Kit library in your next project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.